Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasiliki, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Essence Advent Calendar. It is super adorable with this festive wreath design. This one retails for 25 euros and we have 24 products. 21 of them are designed for this Advent Calendar, and we also have 3 bestsellers. We have this beautiful box and also drawers for the products. This one was sent to me very kindly by Essence. We also did a very cute video for the Essence Pink and Proud YouTube channel. Unboxing time! Let's find door number 1. And the first product is the Luminous Blush. We also have this star print. It is super gorgeous. This is a shade that can look amazing on any skin tone. We also have this beautiful sheen. It goes with my t-shirt. This is a mini size and it is also vegan. All the products of this Advent Calendar are vegan. And here we have door number 2. I'm gonna say a lipstick. Done. And this one here is the lip scrub with caring sweet almond oil. I love lip scrubs by Essence. This looks super delicious. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I love that it is lavender. This one is a full size. And let's go and get door number 3. This one is the Eyeshadow Base and it is a mini product for an eye look that lasts longer than the Christmas night. Let's swatch it. This one is like clear, so everybody can use it. Let me know in the comments if you want to see an eye look using all of the products of this Advent Calendar. And here we have door number 4. I have no clue. I'm gonna say a bronzer. Fail. These are some super cute and Christmassy nail jewelry stickers. I forgot to mention we have some messages behind the doors. This one says snow cute and snow fancy. I don't know what that means. We always have nail stickers in Essence Advent Calendars and these are super easy to use. Then let's go to door number 5. We have a beautiful lipstick. It has a little ribbon. This one is the semi-matte lipstick for the sweetest Christmas kisses. The design of the lipstick is very similar to the Perfect Shine lipstick. Let's see the color of it. This is also a product that everyone can use. The shade is absolutely stunning. It also goes with the blush. Let's continue with day number 6. It's very big. I'm gonna say again a bronzer. We have an envelope. The packaging is super cute. I'm super curious to see how it looks. Oh, we have a little pouch for the mirror. Adorable. And it has a very nice size, so you can use it for your eyes, to touch up your makeup. I love that they added to the pouch. Very nice touch. And let's go find door number 7. Oh, it looks like a brush, but maybe we have an eye pencil. Done. Oops, I'm ruining the Advent Calendar. The little pouch is so cute. And this one is a brow spoolie. Come here. Oh my god, it's super cute! We have gold glitter on the handle. Day number 8. We have another pretty product. This one is the mini nail primer. And basically this one is a base coat for your nail polish. I'm still using mine from last year's Advent Calendar. It is a very good quality. Door number 9. I'm gonna say an eye pencil. Ta-da! And this one is the I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. I think we have this every year with the Essence Advent Calendars and it is one of the best sellers. A purple mascara. It's black. For the Advent Calendar we have this beautiful design on the mascara. Moving on to day number 10. I'm gonna say nail polish. What are these? Cuteness overload. And we have here the Precise Concealer Sponges. I have already tried these from the regular makeup line and they are super soft. You can go to the inner corner, outer corner. Day number 11. I'm gonna say a lip gloss. Nope. This one is the Moisturizing Hand Mask with urea and vitamin E. Every year we have hand creams by Essence in the Advent Calendars and I love them. So I'm super curious to try the hand mask. This is gonna be very handy for the winter days. Door number 12 here. I'm gonna say again an eye pencil. And we have the Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in the shade 1 Black. And it is one of the best sellers. We have a very nice creamy formula with intense black color, perfect for smoky eye looks. Day number 13. I'm gonna say again a bronzer. Nope. These are the face jewelry and we have some beautiful gems and also pearls. I really like them. You can change your eye look a little bit for Christmas. Behind door number 14 we have the Eyeshadow Blender. It is a very pretty blending brush. We have the same packaging with the previous one with the spoolie. Super cute. Day number 15 is in the corner. I'm gonna say a lipstick. And we have here the mini nude nail polish. Super beautiful shade. I really like the aesthetic of all the advent calendar. All of the products are just super cute. This color is gonna look amazing with the nail stickers that we got. Day number 16 is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna say a brush. Wrong again. This one is the glitter nail file. Super festive. I love the design. On one side it says sparkle all the way. We also have a little pouch for the nail file so you can keep it in your purse if you want. 17, where are you? Found it. I'm gonna say a lipstick again. Oh my god, close enough. And this is the Juicy Bomb Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade Proud Pitaya. I have already tried this one. It is super glossy on the lips and very nice. I have done lip swatches for all of the shades of this one. And door number 18, I'm gonna say a highlighter. And this is the Hair Ties Duo. These are elastic hair ties and you can use them as a bracelet as well. Door number 19 looks like a brush. Found it. And this is the eyeshadow shader. We have a very beautiful eyeshadow brush. You can use this to apply eyeshadows on the eyelid. And we have the same design with the other brushes. Day number 20 here. And this is the Caring Lip Balm with sweet almond and coconut oil. Super pretty packaging. It smells so nice. Day number 21 here. What is this? It is a lash curler. I don't have a product like this one, so I'm super curious to see how it works. Take this part away and then push it. And this is how you're going to use it on the lashes. That's very innovative. I can't wait to use it. 22 here. I think it's very thin for a nail polish. I'm gonna say again a lipstick. And this one is the Mini Fix and Gloss Top Coat. So basically you have all of the products for perfect nails from this advent calendar. 23. And this one is the brush cleansing tool. It is super pretty. I love the design of this one. It is very flexible. You can stick it on your sink or even hold it like this. And you can easily wash your brushes. Very convenient. It is very soft and it's not gonna ruin your brushes. Day 24 here. I'm gonna say again a highlighter. I found it! This one is a mini highlighter. We have the same star stamp with the blush. Let's see the color of it. This one can work for a lot of skin tones and you can also use it as an eyeshadow. This is the best advent calendar that I have unboxed by Essence. The variety is amazing and I'm gonna give this advent calendar 5 stars. I really like it. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video, and mine is this brush tool here. And you can watch next the Benefit advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!